Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps, and as some of you may know, I've been working with Global Backyard Industries on this trivet pattern, which is made in t-shirt yarn and is part of a kit that they're selling on their site. So originally they sent me the yarn for the pattern and this hook, both of which are going to be in the kit. But today I found out the kits are available, so I'll have that link in the comments. And I got this wonderful package in the mail with the other stuff that's also in the kit. So let's take a look at the other goodies. For starters, there is a lovely bag, which should be just the right size to hold all the yarn and the hook that you need for the pattern. And then there's stuff inside, so let's peek. I'm not going to flip this over. On this side, this is instructions to download your pattern. On the other side, there's a special coupon code to thank you for buying their product. So that is one thing. And then inside, there's one more goodie. There's this beautiful pin, and I'm collecting these pins recently. I've gotten a few from conferences, so I was so excited to get this one. It'll go in my collection. But it's this little pink pin that says Handmade Life, and it's actually a really good quality pin. It's an enamel pin, and I'm going to hang that up with my other pins. So that's what you get, and I hope you will take a look at the kits on their site. Again, I'll put that link in the comments. And thanks for watching.